What's up, you guys? Jay Styles, all things styles. Welcome to another video. If you guys are new here, go and subscribe to the channel. Those who are returning, hey, thanks for coming back. I appreciate it. So today's video, we have 5 ways to use the hat press. That's right, 5 ways to use the hat press. Now, disclaimer, the press right here, I don't recommend this press. I purchased it about 2 years ago, and there's a lot of things that I dislike about it, but the video is not about the press. So I won't go into the details, but I will note one major turn off about the press once we get to the video. If you guys are here for that, stay tuned. Again, 5 ways to use the hat press. So we'll be using our DTF transfers for today's video. Okay, so first we have the left chest print. This is going to be super convenient when you don't want to pull out your big heat press and use a Teflon pillow. This is going to come in place if you don't have like an easy press or a small iron type press, right? So once again, this is going to be our DTF transfers. Heat press set at 300 degrees for 10 seconds. Now, this is going to be a little bigger than my area, so I'm going to press in 2 places. This is also a cold peel as well. So once again, 300 for 10 seconds, the DTF transfer. Just to make certain we'll get the other side as well. Again, it is a cold peel, so we'll set this to the side. And we'll get on to number 2. Which you would think would be the obvious as a hat, but no, not that simple. Okay, so for number 2, we have our gym shorts. We're gonna go with a thigh placement. This has also become very popular as of late. $10 seconds. Once again, this is a cold peel, so we'll move it to the side. We'll go with our next placement. Now, collar, if you guys have your custom neck labels, that also comes in handy. That way you don't have to use the big press and the Teflon pillow. But in this case, I'm going to go on the back of the neck. Once again, 10 seconds. And this is a cold peel. So once again, we'll move to the side, we'll move on to the next item. The next one is we're going to go ahead and go with a face mask. This is like perfect placement for a face mask. Go ahead and give it a pre-press. Teflon sheet, 10 seconds. So now the major thing that I dislike about this press is that there's no emergency release. So whatever your press is set at, you're stuck at that time. Once again, this is a cold pill, so we'll set it to the side. And for our next item, we'll go with the beanie. "10 seconds. And I realized, and I asked you guys last time, how's it going? Or how has it been going, rather? That's what's up. So once again, this is a cold pill. And actually, we're gonna go ahead and go run through our items once again and give it another press. We'll start here with our face mask. So if you guys got into DTF yet, the DTF transfers is where it's at. Go ahead with our gym shorts. Don't mind the heat mark, it will eventually fade once the shorts cool off. Our left chest print, we'll go ahead and hit it one more time. "10 seconds. And of course, you can do hats with a hat press. There's our left chest. There's our neck tag. And last but certainly not least, if you guys want to see me press hats on the actual hat press, let me know in the comments below and we'll go ahead and do that. Like I said, hopefully I'll get my hands on the hat press that I desire shortly, and That'll be a much better video. And there we have it. Once again, this has been Jay Styles. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. You guys be kind.